looking so crazy. This wig. This wig look a mess. Let's put them motherfuckers in. Realize you had on your glasses. Where are you going, nerd? Okay, well, so I was going off on my close friends list last night, saying how you cannot take pictures, Mom. Like, you have not taken a cute picture of me since I've been here.
Who can't take pictures?
And all my mom pictures is mad cute. If you follow me on Instagram, you know. Sister, your pictures in my phone, like, everybody was going in. You look so cute. And I'm like, yeah, I'm over here finessing my mom pics, and she can't even get me one little picture. It's okay.
I'm in your close friends list?
No.
Why?
Because I took you off.
Why? I need to be here. I need to see what you're doing.
Why?
I need to see what you're going on.
This on my close friend. She was, but I took her off.
Why you took me? Because you were stuck in Richard?
No, no.
You took it last night?
No, I didn't take you off last night.
When it took me
I don't remember.
So why you take me out? That's what I'm asking.
She going in.
It is so hot. Huh? Why you take me out?
Girl,
I want to see that when you was going up.
You know, today is the real day. Like, our friendly vlog. Like, I have not been doing nothing for real. I don't know. Like, the stuff that I've been doing is like nighttime, and we don't have good lighting. It's always good lighting, or I don't know. Oops, she don't listen. My mom be over here like, come on the side, like, let me get this. She be over here like that. I'm like, Mom, you're wearing a wig. I gotta keep it cute sometimes. She be over here like, I'm hot.
I'm hot.
It just be showing all the lace. I'm like, you know? Mama, I just do my shit today though. I need to put down, no makeup, no nothing. I'm thinking I want to do a little side thing though, but I don't know. This is my center, but whatever. I don't even care.
Oh, Jesus.
She be looking so crazy sometimes. Grandfather, like, busy man. Busy. Always sagging. She's sagging, like, get out of here. We gonna do dinner.
When? Jamie said I want to do something.
That'll be a nice end of, you know.
So much money. I've been spending a lot of money. I've been paying a lot of groceries. It's not cheap.
Okay, I owe you 1,000. I owe you 1,000. 2,000. Okay, you want it right now?
No. Yeah, give it now. Because I'm only $2,000.
Right now?
Yeah. So do it. You talk to the boss. Tell him about my little thing on his headphone.
Like, Jamaica converting money is not really all that hard. It's just like, what do you think this is?
Hurts?
It do. No, it's a wig. You know that?
Hurt?
No. She's so extra.
That's our first cheap up plus.
She all like, let me get some air. It is not that deep.
I'm going to run a
Sis Kick off her shoes and everything. Like, it is not that serious.
It is serious. I'm burning up. I'm literally burning.
That's why she itching to get braids.
Yes, because this year we took out the wig, you know.
No, listen, stop playing. What's wrong with you? Girl.
You don't know snapper yet. Are you learning something here, Patrick?
Hot snapper. That's a hot snapper. Yeah.
Yeah.
But we needed to like probably just wrap them up.
Yeah. Yeah, wait. Now put them back in.
Fresh. Over here trying to make arrangements.
My dear man.
Bye, alright.
Alright. See you bye.
Where the car park at? Seriously. Yeah, bye. Yeah, bye.
I don't care. I still drink. I don't water that. Okay.
What time?
One yo, come on. I say my car like. Like no. What am I telling man? What am I telling brother? I'm telling you, you're not there for your bumper car body.
You try to just tell her around, come on, him that man has got. Yeah. When we tell her our uncle.
The boy not like you know. The man ain't blood clotted.
If you are drinking the man and not drunk the man and man have brain must gone. If you are drinking the man, so drinking the man, so they must gone. Every man can't drink like you.
I understand how long, you know?
Eh, then I hear that.
Yeah, I look about name Tika, a family too.
Who?
Tika.
That's my family?
Now I'm ask you, I don't know. But it's our own same family. Now I go from phone and show you. Now be there. White Poca. Yeah.
So, give yourself a shout out. Who this? Tell them where to follow you at. Come, because I know you well on Instagram and doing all these stuff. Where they can follow you at.
Now be there.
What?
Now be there.
So I gotta wait on you?
Yeah.
Why? Where you going?
I'm not gonna leave some look at mad girl. And I wrap my ear and come here.
Whatever, bye.
Hey, picture time. She have video. Mama right. Oh shit. Don't take it out. Put the pin back. Add the pin back. One lotion. I'm again lotion. I'm again lotion. Give me lotion. Give me. I'm not giving them things now. Don't like the look what I act like a girl too. One of who the temps me and make you something. Never give that back. We are. Or if you throw the baby. Your video, do not video me. Get on the cup. Good girl. If I get it, man, move on the baby, man. Are you funny? Let me hear. Are you me a spell, man? Yeah. I'm a boy. Mama. Oh, yeah. Because them are trying people who like Daniel crying like I don't think this is really slime feels something and it never feels like too sticky.
It's dark.
No, my ear, I can't do the picture.
See, it's dark anyway.
Wow.
You can't even see nothing. How you know him? How you know him? Damn, this thing's dark. How you know him? You see how it never slip out your hand?
What?
Let me hold
This is
it.
not a slip of the hand.
Yeah, let me hold
Really about it.
it. What you know about that?
We look so black.
Exactly, because it's bad light.
You look.
Wassgoodie everybody. So I just wanted to come officially in the vlog for today. I think today is probably like the official day where I like did my intro. I'm like closing out the vlog. Honestly, I really haven't been doing anything. Like me and my mother had this like thing where we wanted to just be like calm for the first few days, and then when my uncle come, that time the vacation starts. So today we were just chilling by the lane. We went to my grandfather's job where he was over there like, you know, fixing the sign or whatever. He was gonna go out, but my mom, something wrong with her foot. But over here swelling up on her. So I don't know. But it's around 10:54. I'm high as hell. This is not like knocked out, sis. Got her foot up. But later, y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Bye. Wassgoodie everybody, it's your girl Poca. Y'all look crazy right now. What? Right here? Yes, sir. Because that's where my wig gonna go. Happy New Year! I look mad. I'll be back when I put my wig on.
Here I know, I'm the teacher and a spice. Me say no baby, I'm the prefect. I got in your belly today.